Sa Pilipinas, hindi ganito
Hello guys, the time is 2:50 in the afternoon, but it's look like night time because there is a typhoon here in Dubai. We are thinking that summer already, but there is a typhoon coming since last night until now. They said it's 2 days until tomorrow, and it's traffic already on the road because it's flooding because of the rain. If you see guys, it's flooding. And since this morning, the road is traffic.
Sobrang dilim.
Yeah, and it's look like nighttime outside because
Oo, parang gabi na nga.
it's very dark already because of the rain. And it's very windy. Yeah, it's very windy.
Nandun sa BBC, 4 na bagyo yan.
So,
Tapos nagsalubong sila, tapos sa UAE
guys,
mismo sila nagsalubong.
Typhoon. This is the
Bagyo.
first time
Ito
in
yun, sila sa UAE.
UAE having this kind of calamities. We're thinking that it's summer already, but look,
Here, this one.
the time is
Nako, 1 dirham na to.
2:50 in
Yung
the
masaki,
afternoon,
Mandirham
but
na
it
yun.
looks like
Here, this one, you take
video
nighttime
here.
outside. Guys, the water is going inside in our balcony already. See, the rain is very strong. The rain is very strong and it's very windy. Keep safe, everyone. Keep safe, everyone. My God, typhoon is real here in UAE. See, our balcony is wet already. The water is getting inside here, inside our room. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The water is getting inside here. Oh my goodness. Traffic, the car, the road is not moving already. They are not moving anymore. They are not moving anymore.
Excuse me. Matubig na.
Move, anak.
Oh, basta sa upload naman. I-off to galing ano? Ang sasakan. Makulimpi pa. Wala na namin, sunod na ginatubig
Safe
na.
everyone.